Hello traders, welcome back. Here again with you at Quality FX Trading. Let's have the last trading days daily recap for crude oil, and let's see what happened on Friday, August 19, 2022. As you can see, this is a daily chart, and on Thursday we came into this daily fair value gap, and the narration for Friday was to reach to this candle, which is the bearish daily order block, and we already touched the body low for this candle as a retest of this order block. So let's move to the 4-hour chart, and in the 4-hour chart, as you can see, this is the storyline for Friday. As you can see, price from here, from this area, it gave a pullback into this 4-hour FVG. So this is how price is going to deliver to this high. As you can see here, we have kind of accumulation as part of consolidation, and then after that we are getting manipulation of the day to the downside to take the stop losses and deceive those sellers to think that this is going to be sell. But when we are going to this H4 fair value gap, this area is where we are thinking to enter short-term buy. Just pay attention what I'm saying. I'm saying short-term buy because we are still bearish on a weekly time frame for crude oil. From the beginning of the week we were bearish, and price moved down from here to this low, and then in the last 2 days of the week price is just pushing up for the retest of this order block, and we have to see what will happen next week. But for now we are still bearish even for the next week. That is going to be our forecast for the next week, even if in the beginning of the week we are going to have some bullish price action. But anyhow, the purpose of this session is just to review the Friday session, and we will discuss about next week later on. So let's go to the 15-minute chart and understand exactly how the price was delivered from this low after the manipulation. You see, this is the manipulation here into H4 fair value gap. So here pre-market, actually this manipulation happened during the London session. So price came down to this H4 value gap, and now I want to teach you something new. As you can see, when the price went inside this H4 fair value gap, here we can see this down move candle, which is engulfing the previous bullish candle, and this is showing the sign of end of a structure for this move. So when we see this on the right spot, it can be used as a good sign to think about entering the market into opposite side. This was very important lesson which I just discussed about that, but you have to see this in different example to grasp it. This concept is not easy thing, but you can see the price moving down into this H4 fair value gap, and then this bearish candle is engulfing the previous bullish candle, and after that price is pushing up, closing above this short-term high, and so this is kind of market structure shift. So when we are getting this market structure shift, then we are ready to push up, and the price is pushing up. So maybe first entry can be on this bearish candle, which was actually, let me zoom in to see if it touched that 15 minutes here. You can see, no, it didn't come down for this fair value gap. So as previously I mentioned, we call this kind of gap breakaway gap, because it was not it didn't come back to this level. So without retesting and going back into this fair value gap, it push up. So that's why we call this gap breakaway gap. So the price is pushing up, and then see how beautiful this price is getting delivered. It's going here. This green horizontal line, as you know, is referring to short-term time frame. Here M15 fair value gap, pre-market pullback. So exactly during the pre-market for the New York session, we are getting this pullback, this red candle coming back into this fair value gap, and then price is getting delivered to that target which I mentioned initially. So that target is the caption for that is here. So you can see daily bearish order block, body low touch, and retested as a target for the day. So here it's beautifully from here, which could be used as a second entry for you on this retest of fair value gap, which this time it came down before opening the New York session, and then it was delivered to the upside to reach to that body low for the daily bearish order block. Thank you for watching us and hope you enjoyed. If you did, please feel free to hit the subscribe button, like and comment, and enjoy the rest of the day and enjoy your weekend. Talk to you next week.